Now we will move on to a real practitioner, Madam P. Ramana Saraswati IAS, who is the Joint Director of E-Governance and Joint CEO of TNEGA, Government of Tamil Nadu. She has been a very, very strong pillar in developing various e-governance policies, and currently the government has also released the ABC policy, the policy on artificial intelligence, blockchain and cybersecurity. And Madam played a very, very crucial role in developing the policy and also in implementing those policies to ensure the digital benefit goes to every citizen across the state. So we are very glad to have Madam Ms. Ramana Saraswati, and I request you to deliver your keynote address and bring in a lot of insights on how practically things are being implemented in the state of Tamil Nadu pertaining to making real digital reaching to the rural communities of our state. Madam?
Hello everyone, it's my privilege to be part of this Global Technology Forum 2020, a 5-day international conference organized by ICT Academy, partnering with MITI, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and IT Department of Tamil Nadu Government, AICT and NITI Aayog. First and foremost, I thank our ACS for giving me this opportunity to participate in this event, and also thank ICT for inviting me for this session. During the program guide, I'm really stunned. Yeah, there are leaders and pioneers in emerging technologies, and the enlisted paper presentation covers almost all use cases of AI, ML, robotics, embedded system, and whatnot. So today, taking a challenge that governments also pioneer in innovations, and also with a mandate our CEO to talk about TNEGA. Under his able guidance and with the support of our ACS, I am here to present what TNEGA is on its path towards pinnacle. Tamil Nadu has been a pioneer in e-governance, integrating the best of technologies to provide citizens with an efficient, transparent, and reliable governance. Our objective is to provide low-cost, indigenous, scalable solutions to government departments, and using these transformative technologies. The government is now investing significant resources in emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, for implementing social, economic, and welfare schemes of the state in an efficient and cost-effective and transparent manner. Okay, what do we do in TNEGA? G2C, that is the citizen-centric services, G2G for government departments, and we also play a proactive part as Chief Technical Office of Tamil Nadu Government. As of now, we have delivered around 3 crores of certificates through 141 services that are offered in our 11,000 and odd CSEs, that is the Common Service Centers. Going digital has its own challenges, but that is transforming our lives and has become the new normal, for which we tend to support both the people of Tamil Nadu as well as government departments. We, with our Center of Excellence for Emerging Technologies like AI, ML, IoT, blockchain, data analytics, so on and so forth, have attempted to answer few of the problems of the government departments. To name a few, we are building a state family database, a unified database for use of the government departments to identify beneficiaries, to formulate their schemes and deliver services. We are attempting on data-driven governance such that zero knowledge proof identity-based predictive services delivery, wherein from birth to death, all the requirements like issue of certificates, enrollment for Aadhaar, registration for driving licenses, scholarships, etc. is delivered to the citizens without them applying for it. And for all such innovative ideas to be executed, we need the legal support, and that has been extended by our government. Tamil Nadu, under the able guidance of our CM, is the first state in the country. Please note, and it is an underlining as well, a silver lining, the first state in the country to launch policies for creation of blockchain backbone for e-governance in government, and a policy for safe and ethical use of artificial intelligence in government. And our state is one of the few governments in the world to have such a policy. To say, blockchain technology has been recognized by governments and enterprises around the world as an important tool for protecting citizens and customers from fraud and scams and delivering trusted facilities, products, and services. Tamil Nadu blockchain policy envisages the creation of Nambikai Inayam, a statewide blockchain backbone for delivering secure and efficient services to the people of Tamil Nadu. The policy is a strategic planning for introducing this emerging technology for transforming e-governance in the state. Nambikai Inayam will allow service providers and authorities to securely verify the identity and credentials of applicants without requiring them to travel and present their documents. The policy recommends norms for implementing blockchain securely without compromising residents' privacy. The policy envisages building a mature ecosystem for developers, enterprises, startups, academia, and research institutions of Tamil Nadu, and enabling them to be part of the global blockchain revolution, creating employment opportunities and boosting our economy, which is the need of the hour. Today, AI applications, which is the next emerging technology touching everyone's life in many spheres as medical diagnostics, drug discoveries, law enforcement, military, space, education, governance, and elderly care. The Tamil Nadu policy for safe and ethical AI has been carefully crafted after considering the pros and cons of the technology to provide a roadmap for the state adoption of AI solutions. The policy would facilitate increased adoption of AI in the government across sectors, such as assisting farmers to diagnose the pests, diseases attacking their crops by simply taking a picture of the crops using smartphones, providing information on government services in Tamil using familiar chatbot interfaces, ensuring speed resolutions to people's grievances through a unified integrated CM helpline. All these recommend use of Deep Max Scorecard AI-based applications, which is fully compatible with human values and use of technology inclusive way and does not leave anyone behind. The policy extends support to industry bodies and academic institutions to build a sufficient pool of world-class AI experts with goal of making Tamil Nadu a major hub for AI technology companies and investments. These two policies has been recognized by GOI, that's Government of India, and lauded by Honorable Minister for IT through his Twitter handle. As a step forward with all such experiments that are mentioned, next leap of TNEGA is a voice recognition and conversion from voice to text format, which we foresee to present in one more such august gathering in near future. I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity and with hope of accomplishing the mandate and work with stalwarts to transform governance in the way we are envisioning. Thank you all.